Engine Cadet Ando, Engine Cadet Tubang, Engine Cadet Senate, Engine Cadet Cebuco, and this is our video presentation of Engine 9.
For now, let's talk about the measurements and conversion units. In P6, measurement is very essential. It is a process of comparing the known quantity to a standard one. These quantities can be classified as either fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Fundamental quantity is determined directly by using a measuring device like caliper, ruler, micrometer, and any measuring tools. Also, we have a conversion factor. A conversion factor is a unit that expresses how many of one unit equal to another unit. For example, 12 inches is equivalent of 1 foot. 100 centimeters is equivalent of 1 meter. And 60 seconds is equivalent of 1 minute.
And now, let's talk about work, power, and energy. So first, what is work? So work is to transform energy from one body through another through the application of force, which moves the body in the direction of the same force. A work is done when the force acting on the object causes a displacement. For example, a woman pushing a cart in a grocery store is doing work. Why? Because the object that is being pushed by the woman is moving. What if I push this bus? Am I doing work? Obviously no, because the bus didn't move even a single inch. Next is power. Power is the ability to move or travel at great speed and force. And in physics, power is the rate at which work is done. So next is energy. So what is energy? Energy is the ability or capacity of a physical system to do work, which means without energy, you can't do work. So these are the common examples of energy. We have kinetic energy, chemical energy, mechanical energy, and potential energy.
Forces and motion. But first, let's define force. Force is a powerful which acts on an object as an attribute of physical action and movement. Forces can be classified into two. These are contact force and non-contact force. These are the forces under contact force: applied force, normal force, frictional force, a resistance force, tensional force, and spring force. These are the forces under non-contact force: gravitational force, electrical force, and magnetic force. Motion is when an object changes its position with respect to time. You may be wondering what is the connection between force and motion. Force is the cause of motion. So if something is moving, therefore there is a force being applied. And lastly, we're going to talk about heat and temperatures. So heat is a form of energy that is transferred between system or objects at different temperatures, from high temperatures to the low temperatures of system. Also referred to as heat energy or thermal energy. Heat is typically measured in BTU, calories, or joules. Temperatures is the measures hotness, coldness, expressed in any terms of several scales, including the Fahrenheit and Celsius. Have you ever wondered why air conditioned appliance is placed at the top of your room? The reason is the cold air is heavier than the hot air. This creates a cycle of the room. When the air condition blow out cold air will going down while the hot air will going up. So later on, The room will full of cold air.
Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Bye!